right, y'all ready? You're ready. We're gonna stay right here pretty much for everything. We don't have all the plants out yet, so I just brought one of some varieties. So my name is Lisa Lipsey. I'm one of the horticulturists here at the Hahn Garden. I've been here for a number of years. So the plant sale is a joint effort between the Horticulture Club of Virginia Tech. Actually started the plant sale years ago, probably 25, 30 years ago. The club actually is really old, and this is their major fundraiser for the year. The Hahn Garden kind of glamped on to the Horticulture Club and started selling shrubs and trees and the woody plants. And so it is one of our major fundraisers also. So we hope you come back and shop and get inspired today by what you see. I'll talk about woody plants, a little bit about herbaceous plants, and then Gordon is, are you president?
Yes.
Of the Horticulture Club? And she will talk about some herbaceous perennials, and also the kids will be selling herbs